Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the stunning island of Fuerteventura, where we'll explore its rich history, breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and much more. Whether you're planning a trip or simply want to learn more about this beautiful destination, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. First things first, let's get acquainted with Fuerteventura. Located in the Canary Islands, off the coast of Africa, Fuerteventura is renowned for its endless stretches of golden beaches, crystal-clear waters, and rugged volcanic landscapes. It's the second largest of the Canary Islands and offers a diverse range of experiences for visitors. Fuerteventura has a rich heritage shaped by its indigenous Guanche people, Spanish colonization, and influences from across the Mediterranean. From ancient archaeological sites to charming villages with traditional architecture, there's so much to explore and discover. Next up, let's highlight some of the must-visit attractions on the island. From the iconic sand dunes of Corralejo Natural Park to the historic town of Enquiries, Fuerteventura offers a wealth of stunning sights and experiences. Whether you're into water sports, hiking, or simply relaxing on the beach, there's something here for everyone. No trip to Fuerteventura would be complete without indulging in its delicious cuisine. From fresh seafood dishes to Canarian specialties like wrinkled potatoes and mojo sauce, the island is a food lover's paradise. Be sure to sample the local delicacies and experience the unique flavors of Fuerteventura. For all you adventure seekers out there, Fuerteventura has plenty to offer. Whether it's surfing on the Atlantic waves, kiteboarding in the breeze, or exploring the island's rugged terrain on a hiking or biking excursion, there are endless opportunities to get your adrenaline pumping and make unforgettable memories. Before you pack your bags and head to Fuerteventura, here are some practical tips and advice to ensure you have a smooth and enjoyable trip. We'll cover everything from the best time to visit and transportation options to accommodation recommendations and local customs, so you can make the most of your time on the island. Fuerteventura enjoys a warm and sunny climate year-round, but temperatures can vary, especially in the evenings. Pack lightweight clothing, swimwear, sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat to stay comfortable during your stay. Also, bring a light jacket or sweater for cooler evenings, especially during the winter months. The currency in Fuerteventura is the euro, EUR. While credit cards are widely accepted in most establishments, it's a good idea to carry some cash for smaller purchases, and in case you encounter places that don't accept cards. Spanish is the official language of Fuerteventura, although English is commonly spoken in tourist areas. Learning a few basic Spanish phrases can be helpful for communicating with locals and showing respect for their culture. Renting a car is a popular option for exploring Fuerteventura, as it offers flexibility and convenience, especially if you plan to visit remote areas. Alternatively, the island has a reliable bus network that connects major towns and tourist attractions. Taxis are also available, but can be more expensive. Fuerteventura offers a range of accommodation options, including hotels, resorts, apartments, and villas. Book your accommodation in advance, especially during peak tourist seasons, to ensure availability and secure the best rates. Fuerteventura is generally a safe destination for travelers, but it's essential to take common sense precautions. Keep your belongings secure, be cautious in crowded areas, and avoid isolated areas, especially at night. Also, pay attention to any safety warnings related to swimming conditions and follow lifeguard instructions at the beach. If you plan to explore Fuerteventura's natural beauty, such as hiking trails or beaches, remember to stay hydrated, wear appropriate footwear, and protect yourself from the sun. Carry a refillable water bottle, a map or GPS device, and let someone know your itinerary if you're venturing into remote areas. Fuerteventura has a rich cultural heritage, and it's essential to respect local customs and traditions. Dress modestly when visiting religious sites, ask for permission before taking photos of locals, and avoid behaviors that may be considered disrespectful. Tipping is not obligatory in Fuerteventura, as a service charge is often included in the bill at restaurants and hotels. However, if you receive exceptional service, leaving a small tip is appreciated. Lastly, remember to relax and enjoy the beauty of Fuerteventura. Take time to savor the local cuisine, immerse yourself in the stunning landscapes, and create unforgettable memories with your loved ones. By following these practical tips and advice, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip to Fuerteventura, soaking in all the beauty and culture this captivating island has to offer. And that wraps up our guide to Fuerteventura. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this captivating destination as much as we've enjoyed sharing it with you. Whether you're planning a future trip or simply dreaming of sandy beaches and sunny skies, Fuerteventura is sure to leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.